Hey, what's up YouTube? This is David Ao. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the idea behind using Google Sheets to create a custom scanner, stock scanner, so that I can identify stocks or tickers that actually make money. Let's dive in. Okay, as you can see in this Google Sheets, which I openly share in the resources in the description below, I have red bar, which is just a bare candle. I have an outside bar. It's like a bullish engulfing candle but without volume. And I have doji, which is a spinning top. And I have a first green day signal. First green day signal means like a bullish engulfing candle with significant volume. Okay, so before I start this video, I already created a filtered view, and I only look for two signals: breakout where the market shows strengths, and weakness where the market breakout and pullback. So let's dive into breakout. Filter views, breakout. Okay, as you can see, there's a couple of tickers that already illustrated the type of setup that I want to look at. So red bar and first green day. Let's look at stone, which I've already looked for it to save time. This is a 5-minute chart. This is a daily chart. So as you can see, the day before was a red day, and the day after was a bullish engulfing candle. So this shows me that the market was picking up, and there could be a momentum after this. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting two things. First, the market would continue the momentum going up, which hopefully on Monday it will becomes like this, where after a bullish engulfing candle, another momentum kicks in. So this is where hope I can take advantage of the momentum and profit from it. Or a pullback will appear, where the market failed to continue and pull back and reverse. So how do I take advantage of a pullback? This is where I've created another view, filtered view, so that I can buy value after so that I can buy value after a pullback. So as you can see, we have these three tickers here, but I already searched for one, which is TRVN. So basically the market had a great run up, and after that it pulled back. What am I looking for after the market did a great run up and pull back? I'm looking for weakness, like a double top. I meant a double bottom or a 1, 2, 3 bottom. So if for TRVN, if the market reacts this way, where it pulls back and it forms a double top on the hourly chart, or a spring. This one looks like almost a double bottom, but instead it forms a spring, and the market shot up after that. This is what I'm looking for if my scanners show me a weakness, like a first green day and a pullback. This is why I created this scanner in the first place, because most scanner, like the one that I'm using often, it doesn't show it doesn't identify the tickers as an individual candle. It identifies the market and where it touches. So I'm a day trader. I look at the market every day from 5 pre-market to maybe 11 p.m. Singapore time. So I'm not interested in holding long position. I do have some investment that I'm holding long position, but at the moment I'm looking at taking this as a full-time career, and also to challenge myself to understand how Google Sheets is changing how we look at data. Okay, so I hope you understand why I'm using Google Sheets to scan for market setups. That is advantageous for me, and hopefully I can improve on it. If you have any questions or any doubts or any ideas, you can leave your comments you can leave your questions in the comments below, and I will answer every comment, good or bad. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's pretty short, but it's enough for you to understand what this Google Sheet does. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and like the video so that I can produce more of it, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you.